What is going on, you guys? Star 1999 on YouTube on this January 10th, which would have been my mother's birthday, but which it would be today. But other than that, we're gonna play with the modern, the Corvette that I bought recently, and finally do a top speed run with the modified parts I done to it. I hope I can handle it because I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing can get slidey. And we're gonna see how well I can do. Yep, you saw that. Alright. Let's see if I can get really fast with this thing. Let's see, we're gonna hit 300. Because that would be nice. Well, we're already starting to top out. Alright, I was hoping to hit 300, but we were close, but not quite. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next one.